Hey you guys, so the question is Mary Kay for you? If you have watched any of my other videos on Mary Kay, starting your business, what to know before, what to do after, then you may think that I'm actually trying to talk people out of joining Mary Kay. And I just want to say that I'm sorry if I have done that. I do believe that this is like one of the greatest opportunities, but I do want women to know that it's not just so simple. You know what I mean? Like, I just want women to know what they're getting into, what to expect, not to be aware of not going into debt over things. And that's why I made those videos. I just really researched a lot myself. But as I was sitting here and thinking that maybe I've been talking people out of it, because it made me a little sad, because it is a wonderful opportunity and it has completely changed so many different people's lives and brought in a lot of income for their family. I know a lot of friends who, you know, they started because they wanted a discount on their products and they moved all the way up in Mary Kay and are making so much money. And if they would have watched one of my videos, maybe they would have been like, oh, no, that's not for me. So I don't want like people to get scared of it. I just want people to be educated. That's why I put those videos out. I'm just all about giving the facts before signing up. I just know a lot of people who maybe just want you to sign on, and I'm just not like that. I currently have 0 team members because I was so scared of like, I knew some people who have gone into debt and stuff over it, and so I get scared. But then I stopped and I was like, it's changed my life. I love it. Like, there's so many success stories, and I just wanted to kind of make a video and be like, is Mary Kay for you? I am almost at my 1-year anniversary for starting my Mary Kay business, and I can truthfully say that I'm just as in love and obsessed with my Mary Kay business as I have been or was a year ago. And I think that says something about the company. Okay guys, before I get into it, I would love if you are new to just hit that subscribe button, that big red button down there, and stick around, and make sure you leave a comment down below about a little bit about yourself. I love meeting new people on here. It is so fun. You could just put like a little fun fact about yourself, because I mean, who doesn't love putting fun facts about themselves? Anyways, if you guys like Mary Kay type videos on my channel, please hit that thumbs up button as well, and I will make sure to keep them coming. If you don't like Mary Kay videos, make sure you put that thumbs down so I know to halt and stop all Mary Kay videos. Alright guys, the first thing we're going to talk about is the starter kit. So, it's $100. Mine was like $117 something in cents after tax and shipping. But you guys, this bag is absolutely adorable, and you get so many different goodies in it, okay? It's a bomb deal. You could literally start it up just for this bag and all the full-size products and not do anything with your business and just be done with it. That's totally fine. You could. You could also buy it, attempt to make a few bucks, and if it fails, who cares? You can also buy it, attempt to sell a few things, and if you're like, oh, this is not for me at all right, stop what you're doing. Keep what you have. What I'll say about that is, if you are just buying it to be like, maybe I'll just see what I like, I would not buy inventory, okay? If you don't really want to like make this thing like 100%, I'm in it to win it, I would not buy inventory. That is just my opinion. But why would you buy inventory if you're just trying it out? Because then you could get, you know, blah, blah, blah. Or you could buy the starter kit and enjoy 50% off products for you for the rest of your life. But what's the catch, right? Well, here's the deal. So you buy the starter kit, and in order to stay active in the company, you have to place one order. You have to place a $225 order or more to have that 50% discount once a year. If you do not do it once a year, then you are just inactive, you're out of the company kind of a thing, okay? So if you miss that, then you're donezo. However, you could always sign back on and get a restarter kit for $25 if you didn't do that in a year. But if you don't know more about Mary Kay's 50% rule thing, it's like every 3 months you have to do a $225 order. I would just go reference one of my other videos. I'll link the 2 down below in the description box, and you can go watch those ones too if you're interested. A fourth way you could do the starter kit is you buy the starter kit, you start your business, and you work like heck to make it work. And you just boss babe that crap up, okay? I truly believe that if you are willing to put your all in all in this, you can go super far. I do this on much more of like a hobby level. I honestly wish I could do more, and I know I probably could find time, but I just love hanging out with my hubby and my baby. So I do a lot more like online stuff. And also, if you are debating starting Mary Kay business, I do recommend that you watch those 2 videos and think about it for a bit, you know? Like, I took like a month, prayed about it, because Lord knows I make quick decisions. I am passionate about things, and when I wanted to start Mary Kay is all I could think about for days, and just I was like, nope, gotta get my hubby on board. And he got on board, and it's been really nice. Okay, so the second thing that a lot of people ask is how many hours? I already told you guys that in order to stay active in the company, you have to place the 1 order of $225 a year, correct? Correct. And people like to ask, well, how many hours a week do I have to work? Well, sweetie, it is your business. You work as little or as much as you want. Now, the thing is, if you don't work at all, you ain't gonna make anything. If you work a lot, you're gonna make something. So I can't really tell you that. But I do know that you could go 6 months without doing a darn thing, but then you could flip the switch and go hard for 6 months and you could make stuff. You know what I mean? It's really nice. It can be hard for a lot of people if they don't have a boss or an office or something like that to go to. But, you know, you gotta just set your priorities and your time management and stuff like that. I just wanted to share with you guys a few different reasons why I started my Mary Kay business and why I'm still super happy with it. So 1, I am passionately obsessed with these products. I genuinely see people's skin change, and I just love their skincare products and their makeup. I love everything so much. So in a way, I just feel like it's not me selling something, it's me like blessing another person once they try it and they're like, oh, I love my freaking skin, you know? The second reason, I love what the company stands for, and their motto is all about the golden rule. Like, do unto others as you would have done to yourself. And their main thing is faith first, family second, career third. And that is totally the order I want to live my life. A third reason is I really wanted some girl time / adult time. After becoming a stay-at-home mom, it's a huge change, and it really helped for me to like go to weekly meetings and like meet new girls and just feel like an adult, feel like I just felt important, you know, and that is so rewarding in its own for me. It can be really lonely at home with just a baby sometimes, so yeah, it's been great. The fourth reason is that I have no pressure, okay? So what that means is my husband and I did is we took a certain amount of money that we were like, let's take a chance on Mary Kay. Now, what we said with this money, so like I did buy an inventory and I'm really happy that I did, but for different reasons, just you save a lot of money on shipping and stuff like that. But we took a certain amount of money that we were okay with completely losing or not getting back, okay? And you're like, this is my business chance money. So if it's gone, it's gone. If it's not, it's not, kind of thing, okay? So we took that and we're like, let's run with it. So I took that money, I bought my starter kit, I bought my inventory, I bought my business cards, I bought a lot of different things that you guys saw in all the things that you see in my other 2 videos. And it was really great because I didn't have that pressure. But since I bought inventory, that really gave me a super positive pressure to be like, okay, now I want to sell this. Like, this isn't just gonna sit in my house, this is going to sell. Like, so in a way, I feel like it can help you to have inventory totally, but you don't need a ton of it to get that positive pressure. It was very motivating for me, and very freeing for me not to feel like I have this weight over me, like blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? So the 5th reason why I started Mary Kay is we desperately want a house. We are in a janky up apartment that we've been in since we've been married, which is great. And we are following Dave Ramsey's advice with trying to put 20% down on a house. And where we live in Minnesota, houses are pretty expensive, I guess, for us, for our opinion. So any extra money that I can bring into this family is amazing. Like, staying at home, like, I want to be able to contribute. I don't know. It's just who I am. And the sixth reason is I want to bless other women. I want to pamper them and make them feel beautiful and just show them these amazing products that have changed my skin and that I love. Making someone feel special can literally change like their week, their day, their week, their month, and having the power to do that is really sweet. Like, this world sucks. Like, people are mean, and so if you can just change your thought process, like, oh, I want to go here and make money, where it's like, I just want to go here and bless these women. Like, take all the pressure away from it and just give these people a good freaking party, and the products speak for themselves. Like, I don't know. I say that and I don't do too many parties. But I want to. I'm gonna try and start up like a mommy night in party at my place where people can come, and my husband will like bring your kids, like play with the kids, make a room. But we kind of want a house for that, but I don't know, random. Goodness, I'm really bad at staying on topic. Those are a few reasons why I started my Mary Kay business, and I guess the really big main reason I wanted to make this video is you don't have to be scared of it if you can be smart about it. Like, so whoever's team you sign on with, that's your team, that's like your unit. And I just think, like, I have 0 team members because I've been so scared about other people making a mistake. I almost like guard them too much from joining. And I don't really like that, because I was like, I love what I do. I love this opportunity. This is a wonderful thing. And instead of making it something that's scary, I want to make it something that's like, girl, you could do this. Like, you can do this. And you can do this with no pressure and knowing exactly what you're getting into. And I just think that is a freaking beautiful thing for 117.67 cents or wherever you live, tax and shipping. So I hope you guys liked this video. I didn't really know what I was really gonna say, but is Mary Kay for you? You tell me. The other thing I just wanted to say is that once you sign on, you have a freaking world of support, like, at your fingertips. I joined, I have like all these different product knowledge. You know everything about, you can search every benefit, everything about every product, ingredients. You have a website and a crew of people behind you where they got your back. This company is really great. If someone doesn't like a product, they replace the product. Like, it's wonderful. It's a great company. And if you guys have any questions, or if you're consultants and you're like, oh yeah, you missed something, sweetie, then leave it down in the comments down below. I would love to try and answer every single one. And I just want you to know that in your starter kit, I mean, you get a DVD that shows you exactly how to do things. You have a flip chart that tells you exactly what you can say at these parties. Like, they give you all the resources to succeed in the business, which is really, really cool. Like, so cool. I'm reading the book that I got in the starter kit, Mary Kay Ash, and I'm just amazed at what this lady created and how great this company is. So I just wanted to make a video saying, I'm not telling you not to try Mary Kay. I'm telling you, think about it. Be the wise boss lady that you are. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm so sorry if this was long, boring, and if it was long and boring, then you are not still here, sweetie. You clicked out a long time ago. That's okay. If you have a video idea that you'd love me to do, leave it down below. I've been trying to hustle my job lately, so stay tuned for more videos, hopefully, depending on the thumbers. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe if you're new. Have a great day. Bye.